Not gonna lie, I didn't expect this outfit to look so good. But it does. It looks so good. So I'm gonna keep it like this. The necklaces and the earrings, they all match together. And the dress, red mesh with lace, the black. And then the corset and the chains. Was it because of the makeup? The makeup is quite messy. I swear, it looks so well done in person. It's so well done. Yeah, oh, there's a reflection. But like, I look so good. This makeup look 8. So it's basically dark gray, and then black, and then red, and then silver shimmer. Every makeup look that I always do, simple makeup, goth makeup, or like whatever, I use Beauty Glaze palettes. And this is last year pa. Ay, shit. It's so pigmented. Tapos, I use this first. It's the dark gray color. And then this one, the black, which is my most used pan. And then I use this. Tapos, sinamahan ko itong bright red. And then, to top everything, I use the silver, dark silver shimmer shade. In fairness, this is the Beauty Glaze Color Cube. Okay, I have to be honest. For eye makeup like this, usually kapag I do goth eye makeups, I don't do my lashes. Why? What's the point? Like, hindi mo yan nakikita. Especially if I kalat my bangs. Konyo, shit. Pero, pag ginanyan ko yung bangs ko, hindi mo makakalata yung lashes. Minascara ko lang yan. Pero, gets ko naman yung importansya ng lashes sa mga goth makeups. Because like, ang ganda kapag may paganon. Yung pilik mata mo. I just did yung signature eyeliner ko. And then, that's it. Tapos kinalat ko na lang. Aksidente yung red sa baba ng mata ko. Kaso sabi ko parang, it's impossible na kasi kumalat na yung red sa baba nitong kabilang mata. So, might as well do it on the other eye as well. But, surprisingly, I look good with this makeup. Like, sino ka dyan? Charot. So, yun. I did use blush. Hindi lang halata because of the camera. I'm using the tablet's camera. But, like, I look so good. Like, yeah. I look, wow.